Hey everybody, Mirante here. Welcome to my trade review titled How to Learn from a Loss. And in this video I wanted to go over 3 paper trades that I took on Friday, April 14th on ES. And to start things off, I've got this weird screenshot of Tradeovate because for some reason it's not pushing my executions over. So I just wanted to get the timestamps and my fills from there, so I don't know why it's not doing it for me today, but here are all the trades that I took, and all of them were long on Friday in the afternoon session after lunch here. And just wanted to be kind of full disclosure, I don't record all the trades that I take. Like, I didn't record these 2. Sometimes I just don't have time. Sometimes it's just an immediate loss, and I don't really feel like posting a 2-minute video of me just losing $250 real quick. I like to post both my wins and losses, where I kind of have to sit in the trade a little bit and show some patience, kind of either handling drawdown or handling some chop. Those are the trades I actually kind of like the most, even though I hate being in them. Just kind of shows that not everything's going to work out for you immediately. Sometimes you got to just let it play out. So yeah, I didn't post these 2. I did post the 3rd one, and I'll explain that one a little later. And then there'll be a link to that in this video as well. But let's go ahead and kick things started here with my first trade, which was the loss. What I was looking at here was, I thought we were going to be switching from this sell side and make a run up right here and go up, but they wanted to, looks like, sweep these lows. And again, in hindsight, I really shouldn't have taken this because these equal lows were right here. I should have known to hold off a little bit, but I had my limit order set at this fair value gap right here, and I mean, it hit it. I got filled, and pretty much immediately I lost, and that happens. I stuck to my plan, and this time I was wrong, and that's okay. But then a few minutes later, it gave me another entry, and I don't normally try and re-enter this quick. Like, this is within 15 minutes or so of my exit. But what really got me interested in this one was, I'm going to pull over NQ here. We can see ES swept these lows, but NQ actually made a higher low. So we got a little bullish divergence going on with NQ, which I've just now started adding to my trading, and I'm still learning it. So this was kind of neat for me to see. So that's what I thought. I was like, well, maybe NQ is going to go, and it's going to push ES a little higher as well, and actually make that move that I wanted to do. So I waited a little bit, and then I got this entry right here. That's this 41.40 and 3/4, so somewhere right here on this candle, just in this fair value gap on the 1 minute, and also at my optimal trade entry of the golden pocket of this little run up right here. And then I took that for 5 handles, also kind of hitting this order block area here, to mostly just get this loss back and some fees back. So I'm green on the day, a few dollars. And then that was it for that. And then I took a little break until power hour, and this consolidation area interested me. And I'm going to show you a post I made in my personal Discord that I have with 2 other friends. And you'll have to excuse me, this is Mountain Time, and then my chart's in Eastern. So this is 103 Mountain, so 303 Eastern. So hang on, there's a play I'm watching here. I might not play it if it happens, but it'd be cool to see. see if I can find it, and it was this setup that Ryan, or at DodgyDD, posted back in March, that he sent this chart of these triple tops and then a major downside there, and then it bounced back up. And I saw that right around here, like in this, and we've got 1, 2, 3 tops, and then it went down. So from there I looked at where could I enter, and let me grab a fair value gap here, right there. So this was my area of interest that I wanted to see, and this is why the video is titled How to Learn from a Loss, because I wanted this. I wanted a trade setup right here, but I didn't want to do what I did here and just set my limit and then just have it just go right on through, just knife right through my play. So what I did was I waited for it to hit this fair value gap, see how it reacted to these lows, and then it gave me almost like another optimal trade entry right here with another fair value gap, and then an optimal entry here. That's where I got in at 41.47 3/4 right here, and I took this again for 5 handles, just so now I'm up 5 handles on the day. And it was just the end of the day that I don't typically like to trade, but I mean, just this was really impressive to watch, just how what he outlined here was exactly what happened, and then the perfect deliverance of the 320 macro to take that and send it all the way on through. If I see this a few more times, get more comfortable with it, maybe I'll try and hold these to at least these equal highs, and see if I can do that. But this time, it's my first time kind of playing this sort of setup, and that's, I was happy with my 5 handles, and you never really know what they're going to do at the end of the day on a Friday too. Easily could have been some manipulation and just drop it back down. So just going for that low-hanging fruit on that one to get my day green again, and that ended my week, and I was happy with that. So I think that's all for this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. I know personally I'm gonna rewatch this one again just to remind myself of learning from your own losses, because as they say, when you win, you win. When you lose, you learn. And I'll leave you all with that, and hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.